Put aluminum foil in your toilet. Rich people do this and don't tell you. That's better than anything. But before I show you what it's good for, in this video, I'm going to show you 6 aluminum foil tricks that everyone should know. All you need for these tricks is aluminum foil. Trick number 1. If you have older scissors that no longer cut very well and are even a little dull, you can resharpen them with the help of aluminum foil. To do this, take aluminum foil, fold it 2 or 3 times and start cutting with the scissors. Use the entire cutting surface of the scissors, then open very wide and continue cutting the foil. Now you can do it again in several layers. You'll notice that the cut gets better and better, and the scissors get sharper and sharper, after which you'll have really sharp scissors thanks to a bit of foil. Trick number 2. Take small pieces of aluminum foil and put them in the freezer. They should stay in the freezer for at least 1 hour. Then take them out of the freezer and fold them so that they fit over your eyes, because we want to put these cold pieces of foil over our eyes. This helps against puffy eyes and also puffy bags over the eyes. And you can even remove dark circles with it. Just leave it on your eyes for about 20 minutes. Press a little or just hold it over your eyes. Then you'll see that the bags over your eyes have disappeared and you'll look much younger. Trick number 3. You can also polish your silverware, such as jewelry and especially cutlery. To do this, it's very simple. First, bring some water to the boil. When it starts to boil, add a spoonful of bicarbonate, then place 4 balls of aluminum foil in the water and now place the cutlery you want to restore. Would you like to make your silverware look as good as new? To make your cutlery shine like new, take your old, dull cutlery, put it in water and leave it for 10 minutes. The chemical reaction between the aluminum foil and the ingredients will remove impurities and dirt from the cutlery. After the time has elapsed, just remove it from the heat and wash with soap and water, and the shine will be as beautiful as before. Trick number 4. We can even put aluminum foil on our Wi-Fi router. To do this, we'll need a piece of aluminum foil. Take this piece and start folding it very tightly because we're going to. You'll need a thick layer of domain, and it will look like this. Now let's position the antennae like this. Now as we're going to use the aluminum foil, we're going to wrap it around the end of the antenna, just like I'm doing. But what's going to happen when we do that? Here, we're forming a small parabola oriented towards where you have signal problems. The antennas only transmit signal to the side where they're oriented, leaving the opposite side vulnerable and often some rooms in your house with a very weak signal. That's not true, but when you set it up this way, you can direct the signal where you want it. From now on, you'll have a clearer signal in some of the rooms where you didn't have a good signal. Trick number 5. You probably have a silver necklace or bracelet that you really like. However, over time, your bracelet begins to lose its former shine and starts to darken. How can aluminum foil restore its shine? To do this, take a cup and place the aluminum foil in it. Once you've done that, add a spoonful of baking soda. Baking soda is the essential product for this to happen. Now add boiling water little by little so as not to spill the bicarbonate foam. Now add the piece of silver you want to clean and leave it there until the water has cooled down, after which you can remove it from the heat and dry it. By doing this process, your jewel will shine as brightly as before. Trick number 6. Do you know why you put aluminum foil in the washing machine? When you go to wash your clothes, you notice that your clothes, especially the black ones, are getting hairy or worn out. To put an end to this, add a few balls of aluminum foil. When you wash your clothes, the aluminum will reduce friction and help remove hair from your clothes while they are being washed, and you won't need to wash once or twice for your clothes to come out 100% clean. And that brings us to trick number 6, because rich people often put aluminum foil in their toilet flush. As you've seen throughout the video, aluminum foil is able to restore the shine of many objects, such as crockery and stainless steel, and this is only possible thanks to the properties of aluminum. Make 3 balls of aluminum foil. Throw the balls into the water now, cover and leave for 5 minutes. After this time, you can remove it. In this way, the properties of the aluminum foil will concentrate, and this will help your toilet bowl to always be shiny and free of yellowish stains. Which of these tips did you like best? I'd love to know if you already know any of them. See you tomorrow, and God bless.